Oliver, look at my tower. It is getting tall. Wow, big tower. Let's play more.
Breakfast time is my favorite. Our family is together.
Kids, I have a surprise. You will love it. Get ready! It's adventure time! We are going to the zoo!
Wow! Really? Zoo today? I can't wait! Yay! Zoo time! I am so happy!
We need snacks for the trip. Let's get ready now.
All right, let's go now. The zoo is waiting. Everyone ready for the ride? Let's go to the zoo. We are here. Welcome to the zoo.
Wow! They are so tall! I have never seen this before. Look at them! They are so funny!
Stay close to us. Do not walk away.
Let's take a map. We can find every animal. Look at the colors. They are beautiful birds.
Look at the ducks! They are swimming! I want to see the lions! Let's go there now! Wow, that is loud! The lion is so strong!
Let's get some ice cream. Choose your favorite one.
Stay close to me. There are many people here.
Wow! So many balloons! They are so colorful! I want to see them! Just a little closer!
Let's see the next animals. We are almost there. Wait, something feels wrong. Where is Oliver? He was just with us. He is gone.
Daniel! He is not here. Where is my son?
Mom? Oliver is not here. I can't see him.
Oliver? Oliver! Where are you?
Oliver? Where are you? Please answer me.
Oliver, where are you? Please come back.
Stay close to me. We need to find him now.
They look so fun. I like these. Where is Mom? Where is Dad? Mom? Dad! Where are you?
Hey, boy. Are you okay? Are you looking for your family? It's okay. I am here. Can you tell me your name?
I can't find my mom. I lost my dad too.
Come with me. I will help you. We will find your family.
My son is missing.
He is very small. Please help us.
It's okay, we will find him. He is strong. It's my fault. I should not leave him.
Attention, please. We have a lost child named Oliver.
I want my mom. I miss my dad.
They said Oliver. They found him. Come on! He is there!
Wait for us. We are coming.
Dad? Mom?
Oliver. My son.
Dad! I missed you.
My baby. I was so scared.
I am sorry. I should not leave you.
You must stay close to us. Never walk away alone.
I will stay close. I will not go alone.
We are all together now. Everything is okay. Let's sit for a moment. We need a little rest.
Take a little water. You will feel better.
I am here. I will stay with you.
My family. My strong family.
Wow, it's so big. It looks at us. I like it. Hi there. Did you see me? That was so funny. It waved back.
Let's go home. It was a long day.
What a beautiful day. We are together.
Always stay close to your family. That is how we stay safe.
Home feels good. We are safe and happy.